welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Laura and today we're going to be creating straw bat rockets. So if you picked up your craft kit from the library, inside you have a straw, a plastic pipette, a roll of tape, and a bat template. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to color our bat and cut out our bat along the edge, and that's going to be our first step. Here we go. Okay, now that we have colored and cut out our bats, we're ready to complete our bat rocket. So the first thing we're going to do is take our plastic pipette and we're going to cut off the bottom, about 2/3 of this pipette. So all we want to have left is the plastic bulb, so that's the biggest part up here that you would squeeze if you were trying to use your pipette to pick up some liquid. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut that off. So all I have left is the bulb. And I'm going to take my bulb and the cut part of my pipette is going to face down the opening. And I'm going to tape that to the back of my bat. Alright, we've got our pipette bulb taped to the back of our bat. Okay, and all that there is left to do is to insert the straw into the pipette. And when you're ready to blast off your bat rocket, you are going to blow into the end of your straw. So you can kind of experiment with some different forces of air. You can do a little breath or give a really big breath and see what happens with your bat rocket. And you can even have races with your friends. So let's see how mine works. Pretty good. All right, friends, we hope you enjoyed creating your bat rockets today, and we will see you next week for another Kids Craft Corner. Goodbye.